Oh my dear, what I am telling is real. Demon Analasura was swallowed by Ganesha, who was troubling the devotees. That was the time after swallowing the Analasura. Analasura means heat. That was unbearable heat filled in Ganesha's body. All the ways tried by Devatas to cool the body of Ganesha, but didn't give any positive results. Lord Shiva picked the grass and put on the head of Ganesha, which made the body cool. That made the strong relationship between Ganesha and grass, which he loves so much. Whoever put a grass or garland to Ganesha, he feels so happy and fulfills the one's wish, makes them happy. It is believed Garika Dhruva as Devi. It works on the mind and brain and makes sharp and give knowledge and success to one whoever do puja with Dhurva to Ganesha. So Dhurva Priya Ganesha.